Hi students, welcome to my channel. I am creating a series of video lectures for RVSP subject. It is useful for all the second year BTech EC students affiliated to JNTU Kakinada, JNTU Anantapur, and this may also useful for other students. RVSP means random variables and stochastic process. Generally, as per JNTU, the subject is for second year EC students, and the topics to be covered: review of probability theory, random variables, conditions for a function to be a random variable, distribution and density functions, operation on one random variable, multiple random variables, random processes, temporal characteristics and spectral characteristics, and linear systems with random inputs. So, in these topics, I would like to discuss about probability theory, what are different axioms, and what are different theorems useful for RVSP subject, and what is random variable, what are the classifications, and what are different density function and distribution functions like Gaussian distribution function, Gaussian density function, Rayleigh distribution function, Rayleigh distribution function, Poisson distribution function. So what are the applications of all these density and distribution functions with solved examples, and different operations on random variables like expected value or mean value, variance values, skew coefficients, correlation, autocorrelation values, and random processes with time domain, ergodicity, power spectral density characteristics, all the things we are going to discuss. And the last one, linear time systems, linear time invariant systems with different inputs. Here we are going to discuss about noises, what are different types of noises and what is the effect of noise, how to calculate the noise in a communication channel. So as an ECE student, you must have good knowledge on probability, random variables, different density and distribution functions, noise models to estimate the performance of a communication channel. In the textbooks for reference, probability, random variables and random signal principles by P.J. Peebles, a first course in probability by Sheldon Ross, probability theory and random process by P. Ramesh Babu, an introduction to random signals and communication theory by B.P. Lathi, probability theory and random process by Y. Mallikarjun Reddy. So these are the 5 textbooks I am going to follow to complete all these topics. And in the next video, I will discuss on probability and related topics. So thank you for watching. Meet you with the next video